All right, we are here in a parking garage at the Hub Hillcrest Market in San Diego, California. This is the elevator that leads up to Ralph's. See, this is the parking garage. It's a big elevator. Look at this, big Amtech reliable. Up at the top. This is the first floor. No permit. That sucks. It's a big elevator. Ooh, that's a nice button. And that's US elevator button. Let's do another cab here real quick because this thing is huge. Let's see if I can find the capacity. There's no capacity point. Well, that kind of sucks. I really want to know how much capacity this thing can hold. I would guess at least 7,000 pounds. There it goes, and that will be it.